In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to install Handbrake. Handbrake is a video editing software. So to do that, go to the folder where you have it. This is it. So right click and extract file. Click on OK. Put the password. OK. So it has been extracted. Double click. So this is the setup. So right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. Click next. Click next. Click install. So in few seconds the software will be installed. So the installation is done. Click on finish. So if you come to start, this is it, Handbrake. Click on it to launch it. Yes, this is it. It's a very powerful video editing software. Thank you for watching.